Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS Lasset as well as the AP Lasset 2021. And today is the last round of the session. I believe it is a 38 session if we recorded over there. Yes, the participants are very much clear and I could see them and you could hear me, isn't it? And what is the photo which I put it over there on the screen? Anyone? Yes, if you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, say pass on. I repeat, if you know it,
Sir,
you tell
pass
me.
on.
If you don't know it, you
Pass
say
on.
pass on.
Human being.
Pass on, sir.
Yes. Repeat.
Pass on, sir.
It is last what I said the last MCQ in my first session. What is that? Yes. My last MCQ in the morning session, I told what is that? If you don't know it, you say pass on.
Sir, I think so. Military
Yes.
officer Idi Amin,
Idi
Uganda.
Amin. Because I told you the Idi Amin, he doesn't know the English. Then I told one joke also. Because the
Tata.
Margaret Thatcher, the queen, she came to the Uganda, then he want to address it, but he addressed it in such a way. But the second stanza only I told, but the first stanza is a different thing. Because you say address, he doesn't know how to say address. Instead of saying address, he say before I could undress. They say undress is the body is. So it is a big joke out there. So let us, because other people did not join it, then let me continue my show. And what I am dealing with the part 3 here, I stopped it. Yes, this is the thing where I stopped it. Yeah, Idi Amin is over. That Amin Dada Ume, 1925, 16 August 2003. And which country has the largest caseload in absolute number of the tuberculosis patients globally? China, Indonesia, India, USA. Which one is the right answer? Yes, I uttered the four
Option 3,
options.
sir.
Which is the right
India.
answer?
Option 3, sir.
India, sir.
India.
Yes.
Option 3,
Ah,
India.
Yes, it is
India,
India.
sir.
Is there? India has the largest caseload in absolute number of the tuberculosis patients globally, estimated 2.64 million patients. Yes. Next question is 38. Question is the COVID-19 vaccine Sinovac, which has been granted approval by the WHO, is developed by which country? Japan, UK, Germany, China.
Sir, option 2, UK.
It is the Sinovac is developed with the China. That means the option 4 is the right answer. And Biotech, that is the Sinovac Biotech Limited, has been granted emergency use approval by the World Health Organization. WHO has recommended the vaccine to be used by people who are 18 years above, and the vaccine needs to be administered in 2 doses with a gap of 2 to 4 weeks. Yes, that is the answer for that. Yes, next question, 39 question. The UNICEF is set to supply 220 million doses of vaccine against the COVID-19 for countries in which group? African Union, CARICOM, Asian, BIMSTEC. Which is the right answer? Anyone? If you know it, you tell me. Say pass on. I will give the answer.
Sir, pass on.
Yes, this is the African Union. That is the thing which is made over there. UNICEF has announced the signing of an agreement to supply the 220 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine against the COVID-19 for all 55 member states of the African Union by the end of 2022. That is the thing which is made it over there. Yes, next. In which country African Union headquarters is situated? There are African Union, they do have the headquarters. In which country that African headquarters is situated? Number 1, Arusha, Tanzania. Number 2, Kampala, Uganda. Number 3, Nairobi, Kenya. Number 4, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. If you don't know, say pass on. Otherwise, shoot. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You don't lose the marks. You don't lose your dollars. and the country where the bir is there, the country currency, and there the headquarter of African Union is there. That is the hint to you.
Option 4, sir.
Yes? No, your voice is speaking, Akila. Yes, the answer is Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. There the bir is there, the currency name is African Union Commission. The Secretary of the African Union composed of the 10 commissioners in supporting the staff and headquarters in Addis Ababa, which is the capital of Ethiopia. Next. Which of the following are written Bankim Chandra Chatterjee? Which of the following are written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee? Anandamat, Pishavarika, and Kapal Kundala, Devi Chodurani. Anandamat, Vishaka Briksha, that's the Vishaka Vriksha actually, that is because there is no V, that's why they wrote B. Vishaka Vriksha and Kapala Kundala and Devi Chaudhary.
Third one, sir, Kapala Kundala.
Yeah, now the question comes using the code. Select the correct answer.
Option 2, sir.
A and B only, B and C only, and A only, or A, B, C, D. The answer is he wrote everything. A, B, C, D.
One.
Anandamat, Vishaka Briksha, what is it, Kapala Kundala, and Devi Chaudharani. Yes, these are all the things written by this Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Yes, 42. Yes, consider the following statement. Number 1, that A says, alcohol prohibition is in force in the state of Bihar and Gujarat only. B, alcohol is subject to the state list under the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Which of the statement given above is correct? A only, B only, both A and B, or fourth, neither A nor B. Alcohol prohibition is in force in the state of Bihar and Gujarat only. Prohibition in the 2 states, Bihar and Gujarat only. The B, alcohol is the subject in the state list under the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Which of the following statement is above is correct? A only, B only, both A and B, and neither A nor B.
Option 1, sir.
See, generally, alcohol prohibition in the force in the state of Bihar and Gujarat only. That means these 2 states only will make it out the not selling the alcohol. Alcohol is subject to the list under the 7th schedule of the Constitution. So, when the 7th schedule of the Constitution is there, every state is having the right either to prohibit it or to allow it. At that instance, alcohol prohibition only in the 2 states, they said, okay. But it is subject to the 7th schedule, Indian Constitution. So, the other state may follow it, may not follow it, it doesn't matter. And hence, B is, which of the statements given is correct means B is correct very much. Because alcohol is a subject matter which come on the state list under the 70th list of the Indian Constitution. That is absolutely true. But regarding the Bihar and state, Gujarat, today it may be only 2 states. Tomorrow, they may increase. But here, it will not change from the state list to the central list. So, correct one is, the B is the correct one. It a bit logical, it is a bit logical. See, when you join in a university or college, they will ask the caste certificate. Do they ask the caste certificate the second year? Yes. Do they ask the caste certificate in the second year? Answer
No,
is
sir.
no. Cash will not change year to
Sir,
year. But they can ask the
No,
income
sir.
certificate. Why? Why you are keeping quiet? I don't know. Why income certificate they are asking every year? If you know, you tell me, please. If you don't know, you say pass on. I will give the answer. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Pass on, sir.
Sir,
When you are
pass
hearing
on,
me,
sir.
why you are keeping quiet? Say pass on.
Pass on, sir.
Income changes year to year, but cash will not change year to year. Did you understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why you are keeping
Yes, sir.
when I am making the statement? If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on, or you can say, sir, you can give the wrong answer. I will give the answer. But if you keep quiet, I got the doubt whether you are hearing me or not, whether there is a disconnection or not. So that's it. Okay, match the
Sorry.
correct one. Yeah. Do you want to say anything? Raju Chinna, do you want to say anything?
No, sir.
Yes?
Sir, missed the question 43, sir. Sorrow of Bihar.
Yeah. Okay, very good. I appreciate it. Which river is also known as the sorrow of Bihar? Is it the Kamala river? Is it the Punpun river? Is it the Koshi river? Is it the Ghagra river? Yes? It is the Koshi river because already this thing discussed in earlier classes also. But the sorrow of the state also we said it is a Bengal, but now it is not, no more a Bengal. Sorrow of the state. Yes. The 44th question is, match the correct one. Injunction, bail, garnishi, writ in the list A. Then the list B, of course, the temporary release of an accused person awaiting trial, sometimes on condition that a sum of money is lodged to guarantee their appearance in court. B, it is an order of the court to attach the money or goods belonging to the judgment debtor in the hands of a third person. C, a form of written command in the name of the court or other legal authority to act or abstain from acting in a particular way. D, a judicial order restraining
Sir,
the
your voice breaking, sir.
action threatening to invading the legal right of the another, compelling the person to carry out the certain act that is to make the restitution of injured. So I number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, which I made it over there. Then which is the correct matching for that one?
Sir, your voice,
Yes.
sir, your voice breaking, sir.
Okay, my voice is
Not
breaking.
clearly coming.
What about the screen?
Okay, sir.
What
Visible,
about the
sir.
screen?
Audible, sir. Visible, sir.
Not audible, it is visible. Audible is the voice. Okay, now you see on the screen, even though my voice is breaking, you can see on the screen. Then I do one thing, I stop the video so that the bandwidth will be more. Okay, so now screen is there. Now look at the screen and compare it. Number 1 is correct, number 2 is correct, number 3 is correct, number 4 is correct. Where I can make
Number 2 is correct.
yes.
Option 2, sir. Option 2.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2 is correct. That is 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C. That is the correct answer.
4C.
Even my voice is breaking, but the screen you could see it.
Yes, sir.
Thing which is there on the screen, that only that I am reading, that I am not reading any new other thing. Yes, 45th question. Can anyone unmute and read? Can anyone unmute and read? 45th.
Gas became the fourth state or union in the country to ensure the tap water connection to all of its rural households under the Har Ghar Jal Mission. Goa, Telangana, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Yes, which is the right answer?
Pondicherry is the right answer.
The right
Option
answer
3.
is a Puducherry. Earlier we used to say
Yes.
Pondicherry, now we say Puducherry.
Yeah.
That is the right answer. That is the 3 is the right answer. First it began Har Ghar Jal. What do you say in Telangana? Har Ghar Jal. What is
ప్రతి
Padakam in
ఇంటికి నీరు.
Telangana?
నీరు నేల
ఇంటింటికి నీరు. ఇంటింటికి
అదే
నీరు.
దాని పథకం పేరు.
మిషన్ భగీరథ.
మిషన్ భగీరథ.
Yeah.
I want to get it the Bhagirath word from you. Okay, 44th question. Himananta Biswa Sharma took a oath as the dash of the northeastern state of Assam. He is a 13th chief minister, 14th chief minister, 15th chief minister, 16th chief minister. Hurry up. Shoot anyone, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You're
14th.
not losing your money. The right answer is third option. That is the 15th September. 15th. See, this is the right option which I highlighted. This is the right option. That is the 15th chief minister. That is the right answer. Okay, next. Yes.
నాకేం
Yes. Anything? Yes, I give the answer. 15th chief minister. That is the.
క్లియర్ ఉంది.
Also, you got to see now the 44th question.
మీరు అవసరం లేకపోతే ఉండండి.
Yes, Kolikanda Sharad Babu, do you want to say anything? Expand the video to show the things it is saying. Okay, I'm expanded. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You are
sir.
not giving the answer.
Yes, sir.
You give the answer, then only I can proceed. Yes,
Yes,
45th question. Nepal saw another political turmoil when its Prime Minister Dash lost the vote of the confidence in the House of Representatives on May 10th, 2021. There are four options: PK Sharma Oli, KP Sharma Oli, KP Shankar Oli, KP Sharma Oli.
Option 2.
41.
Option
Option
2,
1, sir.
Ali. Option 2. Here I am highlighting it. If you could not hear it, here I am highlighting it. I made the red also. That is the right answer. Okay, next. 46th. Mamata Banerjee again became the chief minister of the West Bengal for the dash time. How many times?
Option 3.
Option?
Option 3, third.
Oh, I
3,
can
third.
You are very fast in this respect, mashallah. Okay. Next, Soli Sarabji passed away with heart stroke, brain tumor, corona-19, or kidney failure. Because it is given in the newspaper, that's why I quoted it. It is given in the newspaper. Shoot it. Even though it is wrong, you are not losing your money.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 1, sir. Option 1, sir.
Option 4.
Option 3, sir.
Option 4. Former Attorney General and the legal luminary Soli J. Sorabji passed away on the Friday. He was 91 and is survived by wife and daughter and 2 sons. The kidney failure would be there. Yes. 48th question. Highest paid lawyer and advocate in India is correct or exact order of the preference. Who is paid highest? Either dead or alive, doesn't matter. Ramjet Melani or Fali Norman, Kapil Saibal, P. Chidambaram. मैं ऑनलाइन पे हूँ.
Option 3 is correct, sir.
Yes. Which one is correct?
Option 3.
Option 3 is correct. Ramjet Melani first. Next Kapil Saibal. Next Fali Norman. Next P. Chidambaram. Who are alive now among them? Who are alive now among them?
I think
Chidambaram, sir.
only
Chidambaram.
P. Chidambaram.
only
P.
2 are
Chidambaram, sir.
alive. One is
Oh,
Kapil
pass
Sibal
on.
and
The
second
other
one
3
is
are
P.
allowed.
Chidambaram.
The first one is no more. Yes. Now, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, because Kolikanda or Sharad Babu already gave this one. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, established in 1991, is changed to dash Khel Ratna by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji.
Major Dhyanchand,
Option
sir.
2.
Option 2, sir.
Option
Dhyanchand,
2.
Major Uttamchand, Major Ratan Chand.
Option 2 is correct.
Option 2, because this is already, you know it, before I could finish it, that you are in a position to give me that. And you also, you have to give me this answer also, 50 question. how SP Balasubramaniam died. If you make a mistake, I don't think that you will pass in this examination.
Option 4.
Option
Option 4,
COVID-19, sir.
because he survived for the 1 month total. Balasubramaniam, India singer with a huge respiratory, died in 74, known as the SPB. He sang in a number of languages, was known for his film work. He died of the complication of the COVID-19. This obituary is a part of the series about the people who have died in the coronavirus pandemic. Now our second host is ready. That is a participant. Now I will switch over to my second host, document 37. Please continue it, sir.
Yes, good evening, one and all. I wish all the best at the outset for the candidates who are going to appear for LASET exams, whether that is TS LASET or AP LASET or PG LASET. And now I start with first question, that is Babri Masjid was demolished on. Option 1 is December 6, 1992. Second one is December 5, 1992. January 6, 1992. The fourth one is January 5th, 1992. Which one is
Option
correct?
1.
Option
Yes,
1, sir.
option 1.
When
Already
I
there is
clearly put
feedback.
it on
However, you have
the
answered
feedback.
very good.
Okay, appreciate.
December 6th was demolished on December 6, 1992. After the demolition of the Babri Masjid on the evening of December 6, 1992, Karsevaks started attacking Muslim residents of Ayodhya, ransacking and demolishing their houses. 18 Muslims were murdered, almost all their houses and shops were torched and destroyed, including 23 local mosques. At the time, Kalyan Singh was the chief minister and he died yesterday itself. And you can see some Karsevaks demolishing, how they are demolishing the Babri Masjid. Really, it was a blot on Indian democracy. Now, second question is, who is the oldest Olympian? Oscar Swan, Oscar Fernandez, Milka Singh, Dhyan Chand. You have to name the oldest Olympian. Yes, quick. A quick
Take a
answer is
try.
appreciated.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1 is the right one. Oscar
Correct.
Swan is the oldest Olympian. He is 72
Sir, voice.
years old.
Yeah,
And you
voice
can
is
see
breaking,
him
but
in
you can see the screen.
picture. The oldest Olympic athlete at the time was a Swedish shooter named Oscar Swan, who was 72 years, 280 days old when he won a silver medal in the 1920 Olympics. Now, third question is, who is the winner of highest medals? The medals number is 28. Who is the winner of highest medals in Olympics? Is it Roger Federer? Is it Ivan Lendl? Is it Vijay Amrutras? Is it Michael Phelps? So you can
Make a
apply the
shoot.
logic. You can apply the logic. Yes.
Even though it's rank, doesn't matter. You don't lose
Option
your
2, sir.
money.
Option 4 is the right one. It is Michael Phelps, the ace swimmer, because if you use a little bit of logic, because Ivan Lendl, Vijay Amrutras, Roger Federer, all are tennis players, you cannot expect tennis players to achieve many medals. Here you can see Michael Phelps is an American swimmer who holds the record for the most Olympic medals won by any athlete at 28, including 23 gold medals and 13 individual golds. Phelps competed in his first Olympics at the age of 15 as part of the US men's swim team. Now, fourth question is, the first Indian woman to ever win an Olympic medal was Dash, who won a bronze medal at the 2000 Sydney Olympics in the women's 69 kg weightlifting. Meena Kumari, Saiko Mirabai Chanu, Karnam Malleshwari, Nagammam Sonia Chanu. Meena Kumari, Shiko Mirabai Chanu, Karnam Malleshwari, Nagammam Sonia Chanu. 2000 Sydney Olympics.
She's the first.
Option 1.
Option
Option
3
1, sir.
is the right answer.
Karanam
Karnam
Malliswaram, sir.
Karnam
was the
Mallis.
first Indian woman to ever win an Olympic medal. And you can see the feedback. Several Indian women have participated in the Olympics in the past. 7 women from India have won an Olympic medal so far, and their names are Karna Malliswari, Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, P.V. Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Chanu Saikom, Mirabai, and Lavlina Burgoyne. Sakshi is a freestyle wrestler, and she won the nation a bronze in the Rio 2016 Summer Olympics in right. Now the fifth question is, you
She's
can
a
see
Karnam
here Karnam
Malleshwari.
Malleshwari lifting 69 kg
Category,
weightlifting
weightlifting.
category. That is the category. Now
Next.
fifth question is, which sports person participated for highest number of times in Olympics? Is it Ian Smith? Is it Michael Slater? Is it Ian Miller? Or is it Steffi Graf? Which sportsman participated for highest number of times in Olympics? He almost participated 10 times in the Olympics. That is the highest number of times.
Shoot anyway. It is maybe wrong, doesn't matter.
Second one, sir.
Sir,
Mitchell
Steffi
Slaughter.
Graf, sir.
Option 3 is the right answer. Ian Miller. Ian Miller is the person who participated for highest number of times in Olympics by an individual. Is currently held by an equestrian. Is an equestrian means horse riding. From Canada, Ian Miller with a total of 10 Olympic appearances. Miller first competed in Olympics during the 1972 Munich Games and was a constant figure at all the editions until the 2012 London Games. The only exception to this was the 1980 Moscow Games, when Canada was a part of the US-led boycott the Olympics held in Soviet Union. At that time, Canada did not participate. It boycotted the Olympics held by Soviet Union. And you can see Ian Miller here.
A supplementary question you can ask. What is equestrian?
Yes. Just now I have said, you can, if you remember, you can say.
By looking at the photograph
Picture,
or image where I put it over there, also you can say equestrian. It will be done on the horse, by riding on the horse.
Equestrian is horse riding. Is horse riding. Yes.
Yes, next.
Next. Sixth question is, here are some interesting group of questions. The sixth one is, a group of frogs is called flock, army, herd, swarm. Group of frogs. For every
First one, sir.
group, there is a definite name, a unique
Yes,
name
yes.
is there.
Tell me,
Like that for
repeat.
group of
First one, sir.
Option 1, sir.
option.
Option one.
Second
Option 2
option.
is the right answer. Army. A group
Army.
of frogs is called army. Seventh
Sir,
question.
Atlassian, sir.
Okay.
The group
Answer
of
me, Atlassian, sir.
frogs are called army of frogs. We don't say
Yes.
group of frogs.
Yes.
Sir, very unique name is there, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
And you
Unique
could see the
name.
many unique names. Even myself also did not know. Venu, Venue, Venu. A group of what? Venu. Okay.
Now, seventh question is, which part of the body is most powerful? That is, which body part is most powerful? Is it heart? Is it tongue? Is it calf? Is it neck?
Sir, option 2, tongue.
Option 1 is the right
Option one,
answer.
sir.
Heart is the
Heart is the
most powerful part of the body. Of course, tongue is the strongest muscle, but here we have to say the body part which is most powerful. The hardest working muscle is the heart. It pumps out 2 ounces, 71 grams of blood at every heartbeat. Daily, the heart pumps at least 2,500 gallons of blood. The heart has the ability to beat over 3 billion times in a person's life. Now, eighth question is, a large group of flying insects is called 1. Swarm, 2. Pack, 3. Head, 4. Army. A quick answer is expected. You must be very fast.
Shoot anything, even though wrong. It is.
Shoot the answer.
Option 1.
Yes.
A movie was also produced with this name.
We can say Swarm of Bees also, is it not?
Yes, option 1 is the right answer, swarm. A swarm, that is a large group of flying insects, is called swarm. Now, 9th question. A group of foxes, a group of foxes is called 1. Skulk, 2. Herd, 3. Army, 4. Pack.
Fast, shoot.
Option 2, sir.
Option 1 is the right answer, skulk. Skulk, a group of foxes is called skulk. Now 10th question is, a group of lions is called option 1 skulk, option 2 pride, option 3 kitten, option 4 brood.
Pride, sir.
Pride, sir.
Oh, sorry. Just a minute.
Pride, you're the right answer.
Just a minute.
Sir, screen showing, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute, because I was searching for something where I have gone. Yeah, please.
So a group of lions is called pride. Option 2 is the right answer. Next 11th question. A group of birds is called 1. Flock, 2. Shoal, 2. 3. Colony, 4. Clouder. There is a saying also. There is a maxim also.
There is a
with
saying
this.
also. A birds of same feather flock
The birds
together.
of same feather
Option 4, sir.
flock together. So option 1 is the
Option-
right answer. A group of birds is called flock. Next 12th question is a group of owls. A group of owls. A group of owls is called parliament, string, wing, pod. A group of owls is called parliament.
Option 2.
Option 1 is the correct answer, parliament. That's why all these names are unique. 13th question, a group of vultures is called bunch, flock, venue, herd.
Just now I told.
Bunches, sir. First one.
Vultures
All venue.
it
Number
starts
3.
with the same letter,
3.
V. Option 3 is the right answer, venue. Vultures ante Rabandru. 14th question. World Photography Day is celebrated on. Is it August 19th?
19th, sir. Option 1.
Option 1 is the right answer. Very good. August 19th. The World Photography Day is observed on August 19th of every year. 15th question. When is International Disability Day observed? International Disability Day. Handicapped People's Day. December 15th, December 3, October 1, October 2. World
Option 1, sir.
option
1.
Option 2 is the right answer. It is December 3rd. On 3rd December, every year, International Disability Day is observed. Now, 16th question. UNO Day is observed on. That is, first
Option
one is
2.
October 2nd, second one is January 30, third one is October 24, fourth one is September 30.
October 24th.
Yes, option 3 is the right answer. UNO Day is celebrated on October 24 every year. Actually, it was formed on 1945, October 24. 17th question. The name United Nations was coined by United States President Dash and first used in the declaration by United Nations on 1st January 1942 during Second World War. Herbert Hoover, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Harry S. Truman, Dwight D. Eisenhower. Yes, so who named it? United
coined
Nations
it?
Organization.
United
Which president of
Nations.
USA? Shoot it. Shoot the answer.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. That is the right one. Franklin D. Roosevelt named United Nations Organization. He was the president of USA who named this as United Nations Organization.
Of course, is a the picture here which I have given, but it's difficult for you to understand who are the four people are here. But I can give their names here. But who are, that is the 31 president, Franklin D. Roosevelt is the 32 president, and Calvin Coolidge is the 30th president, Warren G. Harding is the 29%. But our third host is very much ready. She is now. I am requesting the third host, Sri Vidya is ready, and now I am switching over to the here. Now you can share your screen.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Share
The
your
thing is
screen.
that I prepared some points,
Yes,
sir, like
we could
bullet
see. We
points.
could see now.
Not yes, sir.
Yes, proceed.
Related to Indian Constitution. Yes, sir. We are having six freedom of rights. That right to freedom of speech and expression, right to assemble peacefully without arms, right to form association or union, right to move freely throughout the territory of India, right to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, right to participate any profession or to carry any occupation, trade or business. These are six fundamental rights we are having. And also Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for offense, protection for life and personal liberty. This is a most important article. And 21 clause A, right to education, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. It's Article 22. Facts about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the longest and most voluminous constitution in the world. Next thing, the preamble of Indian Constitution was inspired by the preamble and the Constitution of the United States of America, which means the preamble was inspired by the United States of America. The original copy of the Indian Constitution was not typed or printed. It was handwritten and was now kept in a helium file case in the Library of the Parliament. And you should remember this word. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Naren Raizada. Handwritten the original copy of the Constitution of India. The fundamental rights that are recognized by the Constitution of India was adopted from the fundamental rights of American Constitution. A total of 283 members of the Constituent Assembly had signed the original Constitution of India. And this you need to remember. The Constitution of India is one of the best and most honored constitution in the world. The concept of 5-year plan was taken from the concept of 5 planning commissions of the Soviet Union or USSR, Union of Soviet Socialistic Republics. There are still about 2.18 crore cases that are pending in the district and high courts of India. There are almost 22.2 million people under trial in India, which is more than total population of Netherlands. Originally, the Constitution of India was written in English and Hindi. The English version of the Indian Constitution has 1,17,369 words. Every page of Constitution of India was decorated are artists from Shantiniketan. Sir, am I going little fast or is it okay?
It's okay, but the question is, no, you would have to put in the question forms.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the no, because whatever you teach now, that should be utility to them. There they can apply the brain. So instead of making like that, you can make the question, then you ask her there. like the question which is there, and the constitution, it will be decorated by the artist who, from where? Yes, they will give the answer, Shantiniketan. Then we can make the some of the things in that way. So that will make them to use their brain so that they could patiently make use of it and they can give the answer also. But anyway, that make a trial.
Shall I do it tomorrow, sir, or shall I continue it?
Because if it is like this, it will not be that much useful to them. I thought you are given the options. That's why I told you to squeeze to 10 or 15. But it's a narrative type. No, the narrative type they can also read it. So better we will switch over to the other. Did you have any
Okay,
questions in a multiple choice form? If not, because I would like
But
to show
already.
something to them which is important to them. Now I'll switch over to my
Okay,
my
sir.
screen. Okay. I switch over to my screen, and now my screen will be ready. Then I will share my screen, because this thing that I would like to show them how we can make it out and how we can do the things. Yeah, this is the general thing that we can make it out. And here, which I would like to show this thing. Yes. Did you see the eagles are here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So eagles perched on a branch. So the group of perched eagles are called the group of perched eagles on branch. Sir, flock of eagles? No. Sir, group of eagles? No. Herd of eagles? No. See, answer is convocation of eagles. What they are? They are convocation of eagles. That is, we can say. So, what is the collective noun for the kangaroos? Kangaroos. Herd of kangaroos? Or flock of kangaroos? Anyone? Or
It
army
is
of
called
kangaroos?
wild.
Or part of kangaroos? Answer is mob of kangaroos. A group of kangaroos is called mob of kangaroos. Yes, now hens and cocks, roosters. Then what do you say? Hens on farm. Hens in your farm.
Pride.
Yes? Try, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
Pride, sir.
Here the group, you can say a group of hens is called a brood of hens. BROOD, brood of hens or brood of cocks. Now, what is this? Can anybody will tell me? What is this? Can anybody tell me?
Rhinos.
Please pass on.
Rhinoceros, sir.
Umesh, if you know it, you tell me. Otherwise, you can say pass on.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. There's
Rhinoceros.
rhinos. Then a group of the rhinos through the grass are called a flock of rhinos. The answer is a group of rhinos is called crash of rhinos. CRASH, crash of rhinos. Then what is this? Utters. They are called utters. Then the group of utters are called rump, ROMP, rump of utters. Yes, next, what is this? సార్ తెలుసు సార్ మాకు ఏంటిది అది సార్ చిలుక సార్
Parrot.
yes. Now can you say the group of parrots? ఇబ్బంది ఉన్నది సార్
Company.
a group of parrots is called pandemonium. The pandemonium of parrots means group of parrots. What about this one? గుడ్ల గూవా ఇందాకనే చెప్పిండు సారు ఏమనాలా? What do you say? Owls.
Wolves.
Group of owls is called
Parliament, sir.
Parliament.
Parliament. Yeah. I appreciate. What about the tigers and tigress and lion and lioness?
Pride, sir.
These are
Pride,
lions.
sir.
Then we
Pride.
can say pride. PRID, pride. So that way. What about cheetahs?
No, sir.
Then we can say collision of cheetahs. Collision of cheetahs are there. Then what about this one? Foxes. Yes, sir just now told foxes. What is the fox? He told just now, skulk. The skulk of foxes. Then what about this one? Sir, it is Samudrapu.
sir.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus, sir.
Yeah, what do you say? Hippopotamus, group of hippopotamus. A blot of hippopotamus. A bloat, B-L-O-A-T, bloat of hippopotamus. What about this one? Porcupine caudals ఇది ముళ్ళ 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 ఏమన్నా దీన్ని ముళ్ళ కోడియా
ముళ్ళ పంది సార్.
the group of porcupines called prickle అంటారు దాన్ని prickle of these. What about dolphins? A group of dolphins are called pod, pod, pod. The pod of dolphins అంటారు. Crow ఏమంటారు మరి group of crows ని? Murder of course, murder of crows అంటారు. murder మరి దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? Swims along the jellyfish. దీన్ని స్మాక్ అంటారు. గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ జెల్లీ ఫిష్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ స్మాక్, గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ జెల్లీ ఫిష్. మరి దీని ఏమంటారు? జిరాఫీని. దీని టవర్ ఆఫ్ జిరాఫీస్ అంటారు గ్రూప్ ని. మరి దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఫ్రాక్స్ ని ఇందాక చెప్పారు సార్. ఏం చెప్పారు? ఆర్మీ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్స్ అంటారు.
ఆర్మీ సార్.
మరి దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? కెమెల్స్ ని కార్వాన్ ఆఫ్ కెమెల్స్ అంటారు. కార్వాన్ ఆఫ్ కెమెల్స్ అంటారు. ఈ చింపాంజీని ఏమంటారు? కమ్యూనిటీ ఆఫ్ చింపాంజీ అంటారు. మరి దీని బేర్స్ ఏమంటారు? బ్లాక్ బేర్స్ స్లియత్ అంటారు, ఆర్ స్లాత్ అంటారు, SLOTH స్లాత్. అయితే దీని టోడ్స్ ఏమంటారు? సారీ మాకు తెలియదు సార్, ఇక అయిపోయింది సార్. The group of vultures is called Venu. A group of vultures is called Venu. See if you can guess these other surprising names for groups of animals. To be promised, even I also don't know these things which I discussed today. And it is all the credit goes to the Kolikonda Sharat Babu. Because his thinking is different and my thinking is different. Sri Vidya thinking is different. Of course, it depends upon the age, it depends upon the study, it depends upon the experience, it depends upon the various other factors will come out. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
అప్పుడప్పుడు తానే తందాన చెప్పండి, నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది లేకుండా ఇప్పుడు. ఎనీవే it will go away now. So I thought I would like to keep the mock exam to you, but I don't know whether I could make it out or not. If you are ready enough to mock examination, and we all three will collect from part A, part B, part C, we will make 120 total. So Sri Vidya deals something, I will deal something, and Korikonda will deal something, and that way we can make it out. So which is the convenient time? Is it 9 o'clock? Is it 10 o'clock? You tell me, so that we will make the mock exam, and that exam you don't take the much time. Just after looking at it, you have to shoot it, because otherwise the other person will get the good marks. You will be the loser. Kolikonda Sharat Babu, what is your view?
Well, that is up to them to decide, sir. But better it is if it is today.
Today only today. Is it 8 o'clock? Is it